Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to get a refund from Zara. Visit Zara's official website and locate their refund policy. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions regarding returns and refunds, including eligibility criteria, timeframes, and any specific requirements. Ensure that the items you wish to return are in their original condition, with tags attached and accompanied by the original packaging, if applicable. Zara may have specific requirements for accepting returns, so check their policy for details. Depending on your location and the method of purchase, there may be different ways to initiate a return with Zara. If you made your purchase online, you may be able to initiate the return process through Zara's website or by contacting their customer service. If you bought the items from a Zara store, you can typically return them to any Zara retail location within the specified return period. Follow the instructions provided by Zara for returning your items. This may involve completing a return form, printing a return label, or visiting a Zara store to process the return in person. Pack the items securely and ship them back to Zara if you're returning them via mail. If you're returning the items to a Zara store, bring them along with any required documentation to facilitate the return process. Once Zara receives your returned items, they will inspect them to ensure they meet the return criteria. Processing times may vary, so be very patient while waiting for your refund to be processed. After the return is processed and approved, Zara will issue a refund to your original payment method. The time it takes for the refund to appear in your account may vary depending on your bank or payment provider. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.